Welcome to the Grandmother's Voice podcast. I'm your host, Tonya Smith, and this is a place for anyone connected to or inspired by grandmothers. We're diving deep into real-life family issues, some that will touch your heart and maybe even bring tears to your eyes. Together, we'll share stories, uncover truths, and find healing along the way. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into today's episode of the Grandmother's Voice podcast. Welcome in. I just want to share something with you. So Sunday, last week I posted a video about can you still grandparent and put yourself first? And so normally, whatever I do, I always do it for the kids first. Like if I'm cooking, it's for the kids. If I go to the store, it's for the kids. Always for the kids, and I'm putting me last. Now, I have 6 grandchildren here, and the mother is here. And so normally, I will cook. And because I'm already in the kitchen cooking, I'll go ahead and cook for everybody. But you know what I realized? I realized that that's tiring me out. So I had to figure out a way to still put me first. I had to figure out a way to still love them and grandparent, even though they live here, to not overwhelm myself and stress myself out. I had to find a way to make it where it won't be so easy for the mother. So today, y'all, I did it. And guess what I did today? I cooked. I cooked dinner. I like to prep meals, right, for the week. So I cooked dinner for my husband and myself for the week. I did. I really did. And you know what? I felt kind of guilty when the kids came home and they were like, what we eat for dinner? And I was like, I don't know. You have to ask your mother. But see, this is the beginning of me putting myself first. This is the beginning of me, taking my hands off of this whole situation and letting the mother do it. Because I noticed they were getting used to it. They were getting used to it. I would get used to it too, wouldn't you? If you had somebody cooking dinner for you or for your kids and you can just chill and go to work when you get ready to go to work. Even last night I came home from work and gave the kids baths. And I was like, don't do that again, please. Make sure you give them a bath before you go to work. But I felt so good today because I cooked dinner and I didn't cook for the kids. Now, they have food in there and their mother has to cook, but I didn't cook for them, y'all. And I feel good about it. So, yeah, I wanted to share that. Can you still grandparent and put yourself first? Yes, you can, but you have to find a way to do it because if you don't, won't nobody let you. Peace. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Grandmother's Voice podcast. I hope today's conversation inspired you, uplifted your spirit, and reminded you that healing and purpose are within reach. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow this community of love and connection. And if something resonated with you today, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment or connect with me on social media. Until next time, I want you to remember this. You are loved, you are valued, and your voice matters. Keep shining, keep healing, and I'll see you back here soon on the Grandmother's Voice podcast. The Grandmother's Voice podcast, healing generations, one story at a time, one story at a time.